Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra, and let me present you some screenshot tips which are available in this device. So probably most of us know that we can take a screenshot just by pressing the power button and volume down button together, and the screenshot has been made. However, what if I will tell you that we've got two additional options thanks to which we can take a screenshot, and which are, in my personal opinion, a little bit more comfortable to use. So let me first of all show you how to turn them on and then how to use them. So first of all, the settings. Let's tap on them and here scroll all the way down to find additional settings. Then let's scroll down again to find simply go to gesture shortcuts, which is almost at the top. And here we've got two different options which are connected with the screenshots. So let's start with tapping on take a screenshot. So here, as you can see, we've got two different options which are connected with taking a screenshot. We've got this one, which I've shown you before, and here slide 3 fingers down. So let's tap on the switcher to turn it on. Let's go back, and before we will try it on, we will also turn on the option which is right here, partial screenshot, which is another tip for the screenshots. So let's simply tap on it and tap on the switcher next to it. And now I would like to present to you how to use the 3-finger screenshot. So all you have to do is to swipe 3 fingers across the screen, I mean from the top to the bottom, like that, and your device will immediately take a screenshot, which is really comfortable, especially if you need to take a screenshot really quickly. And another thing is that you can also take a screenshot of the specific thing. You do not have to take a screenshot of the full screen. So let me do it. Let me press 3 fingers on the screen. Wait, and now we can use those 3 different options. So we can mark something with a square or rectangle, free option, and circle. So let me maybe choose circle, why not? And now we can just mark something which we would like to screenshot. As you can see, you can also change the shape of it, and if you are ready, simply tap on save. And we've got the screenshot made. Of course, we can check it in the gallery. Let me go back here. And here we've got our screenshot, which was taken with 3 fingers pressing on the screen. So I hope that those tips will help you with taking screenshots fastly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.